Mga pre, Eugene is changing his career. From now on, he's not a vlogger anymore. Eugene is an actor. Hey, actor. Sorry. Eugene was invited to an acting. He will become an actor.
What?
So Eugene will become Sundalo. Sir, are you ready? Sir.
Mamaya na makipag-usap sa akin, maliligo lang ako.
Sige. Our actor is ready.
Hindi naman actor kasi yun.
Ano yun?
Project lang yun. So, kailangan lang nila. Baka mamaya, ano lang yan. Roleplay lang.
Kahit na, actor yan. Change career.
Anong change? Bakit gusto mo ba?
Hindi ako.
Sinasama nga kita. Ayaw mo eh. So, mga pre, gusto ko isama si Bika kasi para makita niya rin. Hindi ko rin kasi alam, hindi ko kilala yung... Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko doon. Sabi nila, sundalo daw yung gaganapan ko. Hindi ko alam kung ako yung to-torture na sundalo doon. Hindi ko alam, malalaman natin. Kaya sabi ni Bika, i-vlog ko raw para mamaya mapanood niya pagdating ko.
I want to see. So Eugene will go vlog. I want to sama with Eugene, but I don't know how to do that, how to breastfeed in public. I will stay at home. Oh my god, tumatawag na. So honey, your carriage is there. Sir, go. Our actor's carriage came. He needs to hurry. He needs to go. Please, honey, document everything there. I'm curious. Excuse me.
Antayin na lang natin yung sundo natin. Ay, sunduin daw ako dito. Dito na yung sundo natin, mga pre. Kasama kayo, Kuya Manuel? Ako rin? Artista din pala. Ayaw, Kuya Manuel ah. Anong ganap nyo, Kuya Manuel?
Sundalo.
Sundalo rin.
Army.
Hindi naman tayo to-torturein doon.
Hindi siya yung torture.
Silin nga to-torture namin.
To-torture. Bagay sa'yo yung interrogate ko dyan eh. Ha? Bagay sa'yo yun. Nakakatakot eh. Siya eh. I-interrogate.
Siya i-interrogate to.
Hindi naman matatakot sa atin to eh. So kami na ni Kuya Manuel.
Nasabi mo, ikaw kaya lang. Hindi ka naman may anak na
Kaya may anak, kaya pala kailangan nasa ano, kailangan may anak na. Maliit pa lang anak ko eh.
Hindi pa gumagapang.
Hindi pa gumagapang anak ko eh. Wala pa sa mukha ko eh. Pansin kasi mga pre, ano lang, may aktivista lang tapos may officer lang na mag-i-interrogate kung saan nagmi-meeting place, ganyan. Kasi yung mag-i-interrogate kasi gusto niyang iwasan yung ganun pangyayari kasi dahil doon sa nangyari doon na bombahan sa Plaza Miranda at yung mag-i-interrogate may anak na namatay nung time na yon. So yun yung iniiwasan niya. Hanap na ako.
Hello, my actor.
Do you want to see?
Yes, show me.
Tomorrow na lang. Pagod na ako eh. Grabe kaya. Ang tagal namin to.
Oh, really?
Pero ano lang yun mga pre. Group project lang talaga siya sa school. Kaya lang, dapat kasi medyo professional approach. Why, did you miss me?
Professional approach.
No, what I mean is, because Enzo's course is film production.
How's my actor? How are you? You need a fan? You need a meal? Oh, my actor. I need to give you a straw with the bamboo disc.
Tomorrow, I will show you na lang tomorrow.
Okay, let's watch tomorrow.
Okay, sige. Mapanood ko. Kaibigan bukas. Gusto mo bang makita kung ano yung itsura ko?
Yeah.
O sige, pakita ko sa'yo. Hindi, sige, bukas na lang.
Okay.
Bukas na lang para at least may energy ako. Tulog na ba si Sobi? Tulog na si Sobi?
Yeah. No, Kanye, no, leave her alone. Okay. What's that habit of yours?
What habit?
If she falls asleep, you need to like dot at her, look like for an hour.
Nothing, I just want to stay at her.
She feels that and she will wake up.
Kasi mga pare, ewan ko, ang bait-bait ni Sobi pag tulog.
Oh my god, what are you saying?
Ang bait niya, tingnan eh, para siyang little angel.
Okay.
Bakit? Ano yung iniisip
Because
mo?
you would jinx everything.
Pakita ko sa inyo.
also sleep like an angel. I also sleep like an angel.
Really?
Yeah?
How about me?
Oh, you broken angel.
Papanood ko na kay Bika yung...
I'm excited to see my soldier, my actor. What?
Nothing, baka kasi pagtawanan mo ko.
Just if honey, I'm telling you, if this will be cringy, I'm disappointed.
Ito lang, ano ko na kayo ito dito para at least alam nyo. So hindi ako artista, saka yung yung ginawa namin doon is school project lang. Kasi yung kaibigan namin ni Bika is ang course nila is parang film producer. So kasama lang sa nila yon, sa parang subject nila yon. And ako hindi talaga ako mag-acting doon. Kasi parang hindi ka naniniwala sa akin.
No, okay, we understand that you're not an actor, but still...
Hindi, kasi in-invite kasi ako doon para lang talaga, sabi sa akin, tutulong lang ako para mag-setup ng camera, saka ako lang yung isang sundalo na taga-katok lang.
What?
Ano ginawa mo doon? Katok lang?
Yun dapat yung role ko lang, kakatok lang ako, tapos kukunin ko lang yung parang hostage.
Okay.
Kasi nga, ang magi-interrogate doon, yung matanda.
But,
so,
then you switch.
Oo, kasi nga hindi ako yung matanda. Kaya lang, binago nila yung istorya kasi yung matandang kasama namin, parang, di ko alam, hindi nahihirapan sa pagkabisado.
Pero ikaw, ang galing-galing mo.
Hindi kasi nasabi mo magaling ako.
They saw your potential.
No!
Movies that is so cringy. I'm gonna be disappointed.
Honey, pagkakatiwalaan kitang panoorin mo yan.
Okay, let's
diba? Pero yung itong video na ipapanood ko kay Bika, hindi to yung parang yung official video. Ano lang to?
It's just a backstage.
Parang yun lang. Kasi yung camera ko neto, nilagay ko lang doon habang yun, nag-a-acting ng kunwari. Saka hiniram lang nila yung camera ko, kaya nakuha ko yung ilang footage. Kaya mga pre, papanoorin na namin. Please, no judgment. Hindi talaga, biglaan lang to. Sabi kasi ni Bika, gusto niya lang talaga ako makitang naka-uniform ng pangsundalo. So, yun lang talaga yung ginawa ko. Ayoko talaga, labag talaga sa kalooban ko yung videohan yung pinagagawa kong acting. Kasi alam ko pagtatawanan ako ni Bika. Pero, dahil gusto nating masaya si Bika. Sige. Tingnan, wala pa.
I think it will be cringy. No sound?
May sounds yan kasi nagbibihis-bihis pa lang ako dyan.
Okay. Yes, actor is preparing. Actor is like, I'm gonna get ready now. Oh, yes.
Walang sound.
Nakatanggal na role ngayon. Tayo na yung mag-interrogate.
Is that that's the uniform? Oh, it's Bag! You look like my father! My father!
Why?
You look like my father! It's bagay to you. Oh. I mean,
naglalagay ako,
iba kasi actor talaga, kailangan all of that. Do actors really have that?
Yeah, lahat naman sila may mic yan eh.
Bakit hindi?
Kunwari, papasok ako dito. Malapit ka na sa akin.
You're just an actor, what are you saying?
Tinatanong ko yung kung paano yung gagawin.
Salamat, balikan mo na lang kami. Labas ka na. Labas na ako.
Tapos ako, didiretso na ako dito.
Sige.
So, upo na ako dito. Ayan mga pre, malupit kaming sundalo. Ito yung binugbog namin.
Uy, kawawa!
Tingnan mo, wala pa. Tama na kaya.
Bagay sa'yo, uniform sexy. Bagay. What's wrong with you?
Bakit?
Isang linggo ka na dito. Papanggap ka rin ba? Isang linggo ka na dito. Papanggap ka rin ba? Gusto lang naman namin malaman kung sino yung mga kasama.
Bakit?
It's like you're reciting.
Tignan mo, huwag na nga. Itigil lang natin ito. Hindi naman kasi ako acting talaga dyan.
Not natural, honey. Not natural. But you know, you look good in uniform.
Saka ko sa kayo lagi nagtatagpo. Madali lang naman yun, di ba? Tapos nun, malayaman na. Hindi naman ito personal. Ginagawa lang naman namin yung tungkulin namin.
Kukulin? Kukulin bang tawag doon? Ang mabuso? Pumatay?
Teka lang, hindi ako yung masamang tao.
Teka lang. Teka lang. Hindi ako masamang tao.
Bakit ikaw? Sige nga.
You should be like, teka lang!
Hindi kasi yun, dapat daw mababa lang daw, sabi nila.
Sige.
Susunod dapat ikaw na lang eh.
It should be like, Hindi ako masamang tao. Like, you're like, hindi ako masamang tao. It's like you're reading, you're reciting, you're batak.
Kailan kita proteksyonan? Kayo.
Isa na lang, one more.
Isa pa?
Buksan mo nga mga mata mo. Maraming ina-aresto, inaabuso, at nawawala ng trabaho.
Ano lang naman ito, hindi naman ito yung upload footage. Tingin mo ba ikaw lang ang nagdurusa? Nakikita ko rin ang parito. Nauntog ako dyan kasi yung ilaw mababa. Kasi nga hindi nga dapat ako yung a-acting dyan.
Pwede ulitin?
Ha? Sige.
Ano kaya?
Tingin mo ba ikaw lang nagdurusa? Nakikita
Bakit
ko rin kung
kwento
nasa
mo?
paligid. Kaya
Eh,
huwag ka
syempre,
naman
kailangan
sasawa.
yung ilaw nga. Okay.
Ang daming arte nito. Ikaw ba, direkto? Ano yung line?
Sa tingin mo kami yung video.
Well, it looks like a movie. It's cool.
Buka ulit tapos.
Sa tingin mo ba, ikaw lang ang nagdurusa? Nakikita ko rin kung anong nasa... Sa tingin mo ba, ikaw lang ang nagdurusa? Nakikita ko rin kung anong nangyayari sa labas, kaya wag na kayong makisawsaw pa.
Bakit? Masama pa ipaglaban ng aming dignidad at karapatan?
Oo, lalo na ako nakakalamay
You're
kayo
good,
ng
you're good when you scream, but when it's time for you not to talk, your face is
Honey,
so funny.
that's why they changing the camera to the other person.
You're like...
This is just the background, ano. Lalo na ako nakakadamay kayo ng buhay ng iba. Paano kapag binaril ka?
Dami na nga ako eh! Tingnan mo nga yung tsura ko! Hindi ba kayo naawa sa mga pinatay nyo? Ang dami
No, you're actually good here.
Yun, may isang beses ba naramdaman mo kung paano mawala ng pinakamamahal sa buhay?
Oo! Yung kapatid ko!
Oh my god, I got scared. I never saw...
She also got scared.
I never saw you shouting.
Pasensya ka na. Alam mo, mabuti kang tao. Pero sana, may pindihan mo kung anong ginagawa ko.
Why you look so sad?
I don't
It's a
know.
sad moment?
Yeah.
You look sad.
Yeah, they asked me to just... As this parang...
Parang sad ka?
No, like realizing something. And tapos na. Nag-ibig na ako.
Naka-experience ako maging sundalo, maging general.
Oh, you look so good in that.
Yan, kasi kinukuha na sa akin.
Ah, you're good. You at the beginning you were awkward, but here when you're shouting, you're like serious. I got scared. I never saw you screaming like that. Just you have an awkward face when it's just no need to talk.
That's why they need to change it to the other person.
They said you need to act like you realize something, right? What were you in your mind? What was that?
Nothing.
Boring. No, because they say, for example, you need to think of a sad moment.
O sige,
Because it's
ikaw.
sad.
Okay, let's try to think. Sad moments. Kunwari, ikaw yun, no? Sad moment. Sad moments, hindi tawa.
Pressure. Don't put pressure on actors.
Ano yun?
No, I can't.
Ano ba? Balikan mo pa.
I like you.
Ha?
Because you look good here. I want to check.
Saan?
When you shout, it's interesting. It's cringy but funny, but cool.
Cringy, funny.
Ano ba ikaw lang nagdurusa? Nakikita ko rin kung anong nasa paligid, kaya huwag ka nang makisawsaw pa.
Tingnan mo nga yung tsura ko! Hindi ba kayo naawa sa mga pinatay nyo?
If I will rate you 0 out of 10, okay, let's say, okay, no, acting I will give you 7.
Acting 7? Oh, that's good. For a beginner, di ba?
Yeah.
First time mag-act, di ba?
Appearance 10 out of 10.
Oh, 10 out of 10 were...
Feelings, like you are in there, like you in the character.
Okay.
I would say 5 out of 10. But the screaming, I would give you 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Not bad. I thought it'd be more cringy, but no. You're good.
I think.
Kunwari, papasok ako dito. Pagpasok ko dito.
Tumutulog ko siya.
Kung saan?
Ay, huwag mo na panoorin yan.
Bakit I like it?
Anong I like
Okay,
it?
I will watch it
I will
again later.
delete it na.
No, I like it. And if you will delete it, I will delete you. Good.
Ang cringy kaya.
No, you're not. I thought it's gonna be cringy like those movies. Filipino movies, sorry Philippines. But you have cringy movies, just like Lithuanians do. You can feel that you are not good in acting, you can feel that raw meat, you can feel that...
No, sometimes it's not really about the acting. Sometimes it's also yung camera, yung
No, it's
masyado
also-
nilang pinapatagal sa...
Okay, but it's also about acting, I'm telling you.
Okay, bakit ang galing mo ba? Kanina ka pa judge ng judge sa
I don't know
acting
how much I did. I did
sige.
lots of acting in school.
Oh yeah, naalala ko yung mga multo-multuhan yung pinatay ka.
No, in
Oh.
real school. Like, I was
paano?
always grandma.
Sige, kunwari, malungkot. May namatay.
No, let's go. Basta. Let's go. You make me embarrassed.